Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft for free on Android. Right now I'm using an iPhone, but don't worry, the process is still the same for Android devices. So first open up your App Store or Play Store and search for Minecraft. And then you'll see a bunch of apps, but the real one is paid. You'll need to buy it, okay? So another option is to go to Google and search for the Google Play website. And once you're there, search for Minecraft. But again, that version also needs to be paid. Now, here's the question. How do we get it for free? So open Google and in the URL bar, search for Google Opinion Rewards. This is an official app made by Google and it's only available for Android devices. So go ahead and install it on your Android phone. And what it does is it gives you a short survey to answer. So every time you complete one, you earn Google Play credits. So once you earn enough credits, you can use them to buy Minecraft. So you're basically getting it for free. So yeah, just install the app, answer surveys, earn rewards, and get your free copy of Minecraft. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.